4, 1, 2, 3.
Major Definition is an organization that was founded 10 years ago this year. We are a dance organization and we're all about creating and educating people in dance and in different styles. My name is Lara DeLuna. I am a senior here at UMBC and I am Artistic Director of Major Definition. People recognize us because we're always the people in the commons who are playing very loud music and dancing. We practice a lot in the commons on Main Street, and so we're watching up from the balcony up here or the balcony over there, or they're just walking by practice to get to their cars. Major Def is set apart from other teams because we don't typically do what's trendy. Because Major Def's out here at UMBC, this is where we're based, and a lot of the people that are on this team start as fresh dancers on this team, so a lot of the time our stuff ends up being really different and it's not very influenced by what's going on in the community right now. If you catch us at a show, typically our stuff won't look the same. Practice in a public space, and Major Def, we're a very fun group of people. We like to crack jokes. We like to be serious in practice and get things done, but there is a lot of laughing. When we are performing on stage, typically we just get a lot of cheers. If you're on stage and you have friends in the audience, sometimes they'll be yelling your name.
John!
Yeah, lots of cheers, lots of clapping. At the end of every rehearsal, I say, "Who are we? Major Def!" So I would say that if I were to pick a sound that represents Major Def, it would be the hoop. What's special about Major Def is we do a lot of creating on our own. We're not very influenced by what's going on in the dance scene, whether that be our choreography or our sound.
I'd rather be